Welcome to our channel. If you need to add new users or invite team members to your Google Workspace organization, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Sign into your Google Workspace admin console at admin.google.com using your administrator credentials. Step 2. From the main menu, navigate to the Directory section and then click on Users. Step 3. Click on the Add New User button, usually represented by a plus icon or Create New User option. Step 4. Enter the new user's first name and last name in the designated fields. Step 5. Create a username for the new user. This will become their email address with your domain, such as username@yourcompany.com. Step 6. Generate a temporary password for the user or allow Google to create one automatically. Make sure to note this password as you'll need to share it with the new user. Step 7. Choose whether to require the user to change their password at first sign-in for security purposes. Step 8. Click Add New User or Create to finalize adding the user to your organization. Step 9. Share the new user's email address and temporary password with them securely. The new user can now sign in and access Google Workspace services according to the permissions you've set. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.